Here's how to recover Yahoo account without phone number and email. First, open an internet browser and go to yahoo.com. Once the website loads, click on Sign in the top right corner. If you remember your Yahoo email address or username, enter it in the provided field and click Next. If you don't remember your username, you can select the Forgot Username option to try and recover it. After entering your email address, Yahoo will ask you to enter your password. If you don't remember it, click on Forgot Password. You'll then be shown the available account recovery options. Depending on your account settings, this may include verification through your recovery email address or phone number. If you don't have access to either recovery method, look for the option to select More Options. You may then be given the option to contact Yahoo customer support. Follow the instructions provided on the screen, and if you're given a support phone number and a one-time code, keep them available when contacting Yahoo. When speaking with Yahoo support, explain that you no longer have access to your account or the recovery phone number and email address. They can then let you know what options are available to verify your identity and recover your account. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.